guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. I am the postal reseller. I work full-time at the post office. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and I thought I would do a what sold video from this weekend. Sold a few things, so I think they totaled like $217. Pretty good weekend for me. So check out this recently thrifted Walt Disney World sweatshirt. It is so comfortable. So I bought it and I was like, I'm gonna just put this on for my video, and I think I'm gonna keep it. I noticed it had a couple of little wear around the wrist. I'm not sure if it's vintage or what, but super comfortable, and it's now mine. I don't normally try on thrifted items, but I just was wanting to be comfortable tonight. It's about bedtime, so yeah, this is my new Disney item. So all of these sold on Poshmark, and the first thing I sold was this Worthington wool coat. It's gorgeous. It's heavy. Normally don't pick up Worthington, but it is a very, very beautiful piece. I think I paid $5.50 for it. But it's that ombre gradient look. I think I sold it for $40. I took a best offer of $40. So yeah, I sold that. And the next thing I sold was these Jessie jeans. These are a pinkish acid wash looking cutoff shorts. I took an offer of $15. And this Bitten Bridal, I've had this a really long time. It's a pearl snap floral little shirt. I had it as a part of my 4 for $20 sale. So somebody sent me a $7 offer. I accepted it because that's the same thing that I would have made if I would have sold 4 items for $20. So sold that. I sold this ModCloth Emily and Finn. It is a new at Tags. I picked this up while I was in Little Rock at the Dirt Cheap for like $10. Had it listed for like $65. Somebody sent me a $40 offer. I accepted, happily accepted. It's gorgeous. I wish it fit me, but yeah, it's beautiful. Here is another. This is a B. Mikowski. It is like a copper large fringe, studded fringe bag. Clean, super clean. I sold that for $30. Did have it listed for a little more, but I was happy with that. And then the last thing that I sold, which was my favorite, it's got some fuzz on it, is this Kate Spade jogger set. Look at that. It is heart embossed. Feels like neoprene. The top is just a oversized hooded. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I took an offer of $85. I had it listed for a little over 100 at first. Had several likers, some lowball offers. I paid like $12.50 for it at the Goodwill. It was marked like $25, and somehow I got half off, even though it wasn't the half off color, but I wasn't going to complain. But yeah, $12.50 into $85, I would say that's pretty good. So, but yeah, not bad. It's a pretty good weekend. So, but I wanted to mention while I was here that I will be doing reseller boxes. I have a lot of stuff. So, it'd be up to 5 pounds. Right at the 5 pounds. I have 6 new at Tags reseller box, mystery boxes. All of them have 10 items except for one. It has 9 items. And I probably won't be putting them in the boxes because they are all a little over 5 pounds in the boxes and I can't seem to get it under. So I have the big, large Tyvek envelopes that I'll be mailing them out in. Not sure how much I'm going to price them at, but it'll be pretty reasonable, hopefully. So yeah, I have those. I have 6. Also going to be listing a J. Crew box. It has 10 items. J. Crew Banana Republic half and half. Some new with tags and then some just excellent use condition. And then also some plus size boxes. I have 2 plus size like 1, 2X and above. And then I have a couple of large, extra large boxes like size 14, 16. So if anybody is looking for those sizes or need some inventory, I will tell you that each one of the 6 boxes with the new of tags will have 1 pair of Wild Fox jeans. So I haven't posted the haul video yet, but I will do that soon. I will be talking about those jeans. But yeah, 1 pair new with tags, Wild Fox. So you know you're at least gonna get 1 good item. So keep an eye out for that video, and y'all have a great week.